tells you right here, guys, do not use copper clad aluminum. A lot of these places and a lot of people will run cheap wire because they don't want to spend the cash on wire. Cheap wire causes big problems. This is at Mmats Pro Audio 2000.1. They have two different options. They have one where you can run it at 1/2 of an ohm, or you can run it at 1 ohm. Both of them do the exact same power. They do over 2,000 watts. The one that we tested did 2,400 watts in a small case, as you can see right here. So these are manufactured in the United States out of Florida, and they are built by hand. They have a 3-year warranty, and if you purchase it through us, no matter what happens, we're still going to help you. That's the difference between Wired Kustoms Motorsports and 99% of other places. There are a few other places that have the same business model as what we have, which is help the customer at all costs. So if you guys have any questions with Mmats Pro Audio, please give us a call at the store, 682-312-8817. Thank you.